Hey guys, as I have said earlier that in the next video we will be seeing emojis in HTML. So let's start. We will see emojis, how to use emojis in HTML. So to use an emoji, you have to give some value for it. You can say here the tower emoji, laughing emoji there. So to use that emoji you have to give some value in the HTML code, and after that it will print it. So as you can see that the emoji tower emoji's value is n% hash 128508. So this is how we use emojis in HTML. You will see by practical. So basically there are lots of emojis, so you can check all the values for emojis in HTML. You can check out on internet the value of all the emojis, and after that you can use in your code. So I will explain you by example now. So I will switch to Visual Studio Code, and now I will create a new folder here, and I will save the file emoji how to .html. Okay, now I will save it. So same we will write basic code here, basic HTML code. So I will start with doc type HTML, then opening tag of HTML, then we will write opening tag of head, and inside that we will give metadata, which is meta set is equal to UTF-8. After that we will give title also. So title, and we will type the title emojis. Okay, now I will create a body tag, and inside body tag I will main content. So first I will create a heading, and heading will be learning emoji. Okay, and after that I will write paragraph. Inside paragraph tag I will, so basically let's say you want to write here I am right. Let's say you want to A for apple, okay, B for balloon, C for cat. Let's say you want to print this 3 sentence. Okay, so we can do like this too. We will write the value of A sent hashtag 65 for apple. Okay, then I will copy this and write for these two 65, 66, 67, and here B4 ball, C4, so now what I will do is I will open this file in our web browser. Open another browser, Google Chrome. So wait for a minute. Let's see how it will look. So you can see that here emoji A is printed, B is also printed, C is also printed. So this is how you can use emoji. We will see one more example. So for that I will create another new file which is basically a emoji. I will save this file by email. Okay, now I will write the same code. First I will copy this code, Ctrl C, and paste it here. Okay, now just watch me. Okay, so I have, you can see that tower emoji is hashtag 128508 and laughing emoji is 128514. So I will print laughing and tower emoji. Okay, so 128514. So I will one two eight five one four. Okay, and I will write here okay, now I will open this in my browser. So you can see that here emoji is printed. I have used that value and the value printed that emojis, laughing emoji. So for particular every emoji there is some value for it. So you have to use that value into your HTML code. Then after that emoji will be printed. Okay, and let's see, let's print tower also. So what is the code? What was the tower value? Tower value 128508. So I will print Ctrl C, Ctrl V, V. 128 508. Okay, and I will write this is tower emoji. Okay, now let's check, and I will refresh here. You can see that here the emoji is printed. Okay, so in this video that's it. We have learned how to use emojis in HTML. So basically we have to give value for it, and after that give value for whatever emojis you want to use, and after that emoji will be on your web page. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.